Yeah, we're headed out this evening, gonna go fishing. We got a little walk here. Just sun's going down right now. I got Kevin right here. He's going along. We're gonna see if we can catch any tilapia. So we caught our first one here. It's an Oscar. Nice one. Another one on. This looks like a tilapia here. Oh yeah, nice tilapia. Oh yeah. It's like a nice tilapia. Oh, so this is a little midget. Little midget. Oh, we got a nice one. Kevin's got a nice one. Check it out. Feels like a nice one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And another nice one. Shoo. Yes. They're biting tonight. Ooh, got him. That's a nice one. Wow. Oh, yeah. This one's biting real slow, but he swallowed the hook. Yeah. Oh, got another one. This is a nice one too. Oh, my drag. My drag. My drag. It's a nice one too. I got him. He was biting a long time. Probably swallowed the hook. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Right beside the weeds. That's a nice one. There's a gator laying right out there. Tip of my finger right out there. I got night crawler hands. Okay, just a little video here showing what I got here. So there's 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 10. I got 10 fish here. That's including Kevin's. So yeah, we had just a good time tonight. Mosquitoes were coming out at dark. Mosquitoes really get really bad at night. So yeah, this is the fish we got tonight. It's gonna make a good meal.